Hello friends and welcome to your channel Study Sites. Friends, in this video you will discuss 20 most important previous year questions of polity which has been asked in your previous year competitive examinations. So without wasting your time, let's start this video. Question number 1. Which has become a legal right under 44th Amendment? Right to property. Friends, by 44th Amendment Act of 1978 of the Constitution of India, a new article named 300A was inserted and it was titled as Right to Property. Who is the first law officer of India? Attorney General. Which article deals with the special restrictions of fundamental rights of armed forces? Article 33. And friends, Article 21 deals with protection of life and personal liberty. Article 21A deals with right to education. And Article 18 deals with abolition of untouchability. Who presides over the joint session of Indian Parliament? Speaker of Lok Sabha. Which of the following is not a function of Election Commission? Selecting the candidates for election. And friends, allotment of symbols, fixation of election dates, and maintaining fairness of election are the functions of Election Commission. In which year were the 73rd and 74th Amendments passed by the Parliament? 1992. And friends, 73rd Amendment deals with Panchayat Raj and 74th Amendment deals with municipalities. Who has the right to decide whether a bill is a money or not? Speaker of Lok Sabha. Under Article 110. By which Constitution Amendment Act right to property ceased to remain a fundamental rights? 44th Amendment. Which article is called as the heart and soul of the Indian Constitution? Article 32. And friends, Article 44 deals with Uniform Civil Code for the citizens. Article 14 deals with equality before law. And Article 22 deals with protection against arrest and detention in certain cases. Provisions of citizenship in Indian Constitution became applicable in 1950. Which article of the Indian Constitution has the provision for national emergency? Article 352. And friends, Article 356 deals with President rule. Article 360 deals with financial emergency. And Article 280 deals with establishment of Finance Commission of India. If there is a dialogue between Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha over an ordinary bill, it will be resolved by the joint session of Parliament. The most important feature of cabinet system of government is collective responsibility. The directive principle of state policy has been adopted from which constitution? Irish Constitution. And friends, fundamental rights and judicial review has been borrowed from US Constitution. Parliamentary form of government, rule of law and single citizenship has been borrowed from British Constitution. And liberty, equality and fraternity in the preamble of the Constitution has been borrowed from French Constitution. Who was the first to use the term state? Machiavelli. Who was the first speaker of the Lok Sabha? G.V. Mavalkar. Who gave the idea of cabinet dictatorship? Muir. Which type of democracy do we follow in India? Representative. In 1939, Subhash Chandra Bose was elected as president of the Congress Party, defeating Pattabhi Sitaramaya. Who was the first president of the All India Trade Union Congress? Lala Lajpat Rai.